Iconic buildings need to live forever. Their beauty and functionality need to be preserved. FlyService Engineering offers the best maintenance solution based on rope access. Our team of highly qualified engineers work alongside the architects, carefully analysing the specific needs of the building and its environment. The result is a bespoke rope access strategy to best maintain the value and efficiency of the building over time. Why choose manpower rope access? It is safer, more versatile, cost-efficient and sustainable. Plus, our customized equipment can be easily assembled when needed, so it's lighter and does not require any extra storage room. Our systems are bespoke because each building is unique in its design and structural challenges. Our systems are unobtrusive because we manufacture our equipment, letting the architects choose materials and finishes to make them blend in seamlessly. All our manufactured equipment is safety and efficiency certified. Our engineers design a specific map of the access and heavy lifting points and create protection systems to avoid any damage to the building while cleaning or maintaining it. Finally, we provide a very easy-to-follow manual with all the access points laid out and with clear instructions. The building is safe and the operators are safe. FlyService has dedicated themselves to the development of the most cutting-edge technology in rope access because we love contemporary architecture and its complexity. Bringing us on board of the design process from its early stages will allow your building to live in its splendor forever. FlyService Engineering. Bespoke solutions for timeless designs.